to page 4.
We're almost done today, guys. We're almost done.
Turn to page 4 in your packets. And what I want to do today is I just want to show you how to do the first one. I just want to show you how to do the first one, and then you just have to finish your page. And you have to finish your page. Okay. All right, so let's just take a look at the top question. We have y minus 2 is greater than or equal to 10. We just spent a lot of time solving equations that had equal signs. Here's the cool part about this. We don't have any steps that are any different. Our goal is to still get that variable by itself. So if we look at that first question, how are we going to get y by itself? What's my step? Sam, what's my step?
My step is locate the variable.
Yep, we located the variable. We've got the y. Now, how are we going to get that y by itself? What do you think, John?
Add 2.
Add 2 to both sides. Now, here's the only difference. So to undo subtraction, we do addition. Same as if we were solving equations with equal signs. Here's the part we have to get used to, though. When I write my final answer, we're going to bring our y down. And now instead of an equal sign, we have to stick with the greater than or equal to sign, and then we have our 12. Nothing else is going to change. Don't try to flip things around. Don't move anything else. That's it. That's our answer. Now we want to graph that final solution. And that's what we practiced yesterday, and that's what we just finished up at the beginning of class today. So I put a 12 at the middle of my number line. I put one number above and below. And now all the same rules apply. So if you need to look back at page 1, 2, or 3 as a resource, you sure can. Are we going to have an open or closed circle?
Close.
We're going to have closed because we have that equal to. Now, which way do you think we're going to shade? What do we think? What do you think, Sam? Which way?
Right.
Okay, Sam says to the right. So to make sure that I'm right, I'm going to pick a number to the right, and I'm going to put it in for y.
Precisely.
Is 13 greater than 12? Is our gator going to be happy? Does it get to eat the bigger number?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, 13's bigger than 12, so we know we're right. Shading to the right. So always check that number. I know when some of you were working on pages 2 and 3, sometimes you had your shading backwards. We can't always just shade the way that symbol, that arrow looks like it's pointing. That doesn't always work. So if you think you should shade to the right, test a number that's to the right. If you think it should be left, put a number into the left. So if I thought this should be left, if I put 11 in for y, 11's not bigger than 12. I don't want to shade that way. So whatever way you're shading, those numbers should make your inequality true. All right, guys, our goal, and we should have time to do this, your goal is to finish the questions on this sheet. So there's 7 problems. We should be able to get 7 problems done before we go today.
Miss Callie?
Are you sure about that?
Once you're done, you're done.